I'm Ryan Bumgarner over here at Barney's Hole Digging Service, Long Beach, California. We run a foundation drilling company, so we got a bunch of drill rigs and a bunch of big augers, core barrels, and mud buckets. And we're primarily using the machines to load the tools onto our flatbeds and stuff. Found these guys online, needed some new loader tires, stumbled across these, and easy installation. They're living up to what they're supposed to do. Airless is awesome, mainly because we pop tires around here an awful lot. We have a lot of sharp points on our augers piles out here. So we're picking up 2,000-3,000 pound pieces of tooling to load them up. So there's a lot of weight on the front tires. So we're eating up a lot of the small front tires before, and if you hit something like a tooth of another auger, it's so much pressure, we're popping them all the time or getting slow leaks because you blow the bead out. The bead pops when you have a lot of weight out on the front. We call it Pinocchio out on the front of our machine here. So we have a lot of extra weight way out there. So we were looking at foam filling the tires, but like I said, stumbled into this. This is twice as good as foam filled tire. We load up tools in the dark, and so accidents happen, and the air tires are so expensive. When you rip a sidewall on an air tire, it's done, there's no repair it. So you're $1,500 out right there every time. And once you're down, now you're also down for a week or two. This one, you can still hit the side, but it's still rolling. It's no big deal. Worst case scenario, you buy one new pad and put a new pad on. They're super beefy. They're nice and flat too, so it seems like you got more surface area on the ground. Ride quality's pretty good. Big loader tires, they bounce when you got the load going on them, and these ones are just smooth right now. Can't complain whatsoever. Loving it so far.